know I just kind of started off kind of funny, but today I'm going to be showing you something I really don't like. Right here, my dog. I'm not saying I don't like my dog. I love my dog, but look, right there. He has, you can't really see it. If I move there, then you can see it. Let me zoom in. Look at that. Guys, he has a cut next to his eye. So you can see it. Guys, look. He has a cut next to his eye. I don't know about you, but this is not good. Look right there. He has a cut next to his eye. Let me get closer. I still have no idea how he got that. He's such a good item. Look. If I touch it, he squints his eye. That means it stings when I touch it. It hurts him for someone or something to touch it. Look. He's like squinting his eye. Let me try that on the other side. That looks recent. And yesterday that wasn't there, so it's recent. How bad would you say this is? Okay, never mind. It's on that side. Look at that. It's bleeding.